Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fan blade in your refrigerator's freezer. The reason why you might be doing that is because your fan is making loud noises. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. To get to the evaporator fan motor, we're going to open our freezer and we're going to remove all the shelves in here. Just be careful, these are glass shelves, you don't want them to break. The next thing I'm going to do is take my 1/4-inch nut driver and I'm going to remove some of the shelves in here. For our purposes, we don't have to fully remove these lower shelves. What we can do is when we get one screw out, just turn them like that. They'll be out of our way. So now I'm going to remove the light cover. Now that those two nuts are removed, just lift up and pull it out. Now you're going to have two wires hooked onto the back of this. If they're in there tight, you can use a pair of needle nose pliers to take them out. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen the screw on this shelf. And I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side just to get it out of my way. You just need to take out one screw and we can just move it down. So now we're going to take out the back panel, 4 screws. Now we're going to remove the back panel. Keep in mind, this has got sharp metal edges. You don't want to cut yourself. To get this off, we're going to just push through this plastic tab right through the front. And then feed your wires right through this slot. And now we can feed the wires right through this back hole. And you can take your metal panel out. Now to get to your fan assembly, it's going to be right underneath this metal panel. You can just grab it and pull it forward. Then unclip it from its wire harness. There we go. So now we're just going to take our fan blade right off. And all you have to do is pull it straight off. Just like that. You're going to get your OEM replacement fan blade. If you don't have one, you can buy it from our online store. And we're just going to replace that. And take that back to the fridge. And clip it to the wire harness. That's plugged back in now. And we're going to set this back inside. Now we can grab our metal back, put these wires back into it, and we're going to grab our little plastic piece again and feed the wires through again, through the slot. And clip that back into place. And now we can grab our screws and reinstall the back panel. Now I'm going to take the light, plug it back in, and reattach the wires. Once you have those wires reattached, you can put the plastic tabs back into the sockets, into the slits there. Make sure that the wire is not sticking out, and screw your screws back into the holes. Now we'll move this shelf right back into its spot, and I'll screw that back in. And now we can screw in the rest of our shelves. Okay, and now that we've got everything else in, we'll just snap this light cover back into place. And now you can turn your fridge back on and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.